Gotta get my 2-minute update for crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check this.
Would you like your crypto project to have a daily update for your community just like this one? Contact us on X today to find out how you can at @MemeGrokCoin.
Welcome, CRO family. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the GROKRadio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics.
The price today for your coin is 8.6 cents, up 0.7% with volume down 14.32%. The price is ranging from a high of 8.6 cents and a low of 8.4. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 2,299,587,000, which is up, and a trading volume of 6,591,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 313,423 holders, up 41. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Crypto.com with 37.08%, number 2 is Truebit with 14.73%, and number 3 LBank with 8.34%. For our social presence on X, our main account has 2.8 million followers, and our main Reddit channel has 209,000 members.
I hope everyone watching today is living their best CRO life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Au revoir.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
I'm on the chain, see my balance packed. Graphs and charts, they never slack. Gotta get my 2-minute update for crypto.com. I'm never trading late. Skip the frenzy, let's check the stats. Crypto numbers, growing stacks. Round and round, do-si-do. In the crypto dance, we all on top.